folks, so I got some stuff going on here in the lawn. The snow is just melting and I am excited to get some work done. You can see right here, I've got some issues going on with this edge. The snowplow came through here middle of the winter and took out this section. So I need to pull back this turf. I might be able to reuse it, but I need to pull it back for now so I can iron this puppy out. Just gonna pull this back like this, and maybe I'll get the rake. Let's go get the rake it out. Okay, so see what I got going on here? Got about 3/4 to an inch of a lip right here. The snowplow came by right here and tore this all up by a foot. I do not know what kind of damage it did with the sprinklers. There are a couple of sprinkler heads in this zone, so I'm not sure what's gonna go on with that. But Brian said that the roller is good, so we're gonna see if Brian's right. I'm gonna try to flatten this down. It's super soft right now because the snow is just melting. Perfect time to try to crunch this down. I'm not terribly disappointed with this setup and this getting ruined. It's not a big deal because now it's gonna be flatter out to the street rather than have a bump right here. So I'm gonna see about getting this sucker flat down. I'd say it worked pretty well. It's not perfect, but it did definitely push down this area where I have the problem. So in this section right here, I just ran over the part that the snowplow had ripped up. I didn't rake it, so you can kind of see the areas that are I didn't rake out the big pieces. I think it'll be fine. It'll grow in. It's less than ideal, and it is unfortunate, yes, but it works. So I'm happy that Brian hooked me up with that. Brian, I want to thank you for that. He's the one that made that happen for me. Just getting a general look at the lawn. I'm seeing it as it's coming out of dormancy, or as the snow is starting to melt. It's not really coming out of dormancy quite yet, but I do have some snow mold right in here. Okay, really not too much, not too big of a deal. I just need to get the rake out here and rake it. This is all going to get changed anyways because I'm going to fill that in with dirt. But that's the only place I see snow mold. I don't see any other snow mold anywhere else. I did put an application of fungicide down at the end of last season, and I only applied the fungicide on this section. I did not do on that side and around the back, so we're going to be able to tell which area was better and if the fungicide actually worked. I rolled this section too. This is really wet, especially right here. You can see I did some damage right there. But I've got some issue right here with frost heave, okay? From the grass to the elevation of the concrete, there's heaving going on. So the grass is really soft right now, so I wanted to come through here and try to iron it down and flatten it down so I don't have issues with that. Just looking through here, I'd say things are promising. Things are looking up. Today is March 12th, the day of hysteria. People clamoring the stores for food, everything getting canceled. Mass get-togethers are all canceled. I've got lots of work to do on my beds. Cut these perennials down, clean them up. Those will be coming back to life in a few weeks. Go away, snow. I've had enough of you. That is the story for today. Now I need to go out to the shed and do some shed work. Maybe put some windows in the shed or something like that. I don't know. But I could not be happier right now. Things are looking good. What I really need to do is come out here with my backpack blower and blow all this crap. You see these rocks here, you see all this debris here. It all needs to go. Hey, look at that, the battery is out. I gotta run. Love you. I'll see you in the next video.